In today's video, you will learn how to make soap with carrots. Because of the high demand for handmade products, we decided to bring you this wonderful recipe. Carrot soap is excellent for skin health, thanks to its moisturizing and antioxidant properties. Next, we will show you how to make your own soaps. We already know some of the benefits of carrots for our beauty. We talked about carrot oil for hair recently. Did you watch it? Carrot is healthy and highly beneficial to the skin. Its properties contribute to the wellness of the skin and avoid fine lines. Isn't it amazing? These are some of the benefits of using carrot soap. Alleviates the symptoms of eczema. Makes the skin softer. Ideal for sensitive skin. Alleviates sore nipples caused by breastfeeding. Helps heal skin wound. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Now let's learn how to make carrot soap. 1 tablespoon honey, pure. 10 drops carrot oil, 14 ounces glycerin bar soap, 6.75 ounces coconut oil, 10 ounces extra virgin olive oil, 3.5 ounces carrots cooked, 5 ounces of the water from cooking carrots. Directions: cut the glycerin bar in small chunks, put them in a bowl, and melt in a double boiler. Next, add the carrot puree and water to the melted glycerin and stir until smooth. Add the remaining ingredients and mix. Pour the mixture into your favorite mold. Let it sit in a cool, dry place for a day. Remove the soap bars from the molds, wrap them in wax paper, and store them in a closed container. Easy to do, isn't it? Now you can use a natural soap with many benefits to your skin. Use it every day to clean and moisturize your face. You can also use it on your body to enjoy the benefits. To better preserve it, avoid leaving this soap in humid places. Store it in an airtight container or in a soap box after use. When you do it, share your opinion with us. If you already tried carrot soap, tell us your recipe and how your experience went. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.